Welcome back, guys. Another after a drift event, finally. Good weather, temperatures on and off track are heating up. People are having lots of fun. Good times, lots of driving. I'll show you around what's up. I'll also show you the fun comp we're gonna run. I hope you like it. Let's go. In the finals for the battles. We have the 2 contestants, so let's see how they do. Fast wie der Jörg Söhne. So let's go for the second run. He overcooked it, he had it. Wow. So that was another after Drift event of ours. Fun battles. People had lots of driving time, nice weather, good vibe. I hope you liked what you see. Special shout out to the drone guys who took some super nice footage. I also did some testing on the Chaser X, which was okay. The clutch is still a headache, but we'll figure it out. Yeah, so I hope you liked it. I hope you subscribe, comment, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.